Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm going to do a review, my daily recap for the trading session this morning. I took one trade on the NQ. I got in short right here. Following my plan, you can see my arrows. This was the level. No, this was Franco's level actually, but these were the levels that I was looking at this morning. What time was this? This is the first, basically the first 15 minutes of the open. That's the high of the first 15 minutes of the open. And down here we had this low. And actually my line was down here, as well as had another one here at this high, right? And so a breakout and a retest. Well, a breakout to this high there was one of my trades. Breakout to here, a breakdown from this area, as it did here actually, but then a retest and I would have been short. We got the retest down here, but the internals were very mixed this morning. And it wasn't until after this breakdown of this level down here, this is the news spike this morning at 8:30 that created a range, a decent range for the early morning. As you can see, it went up all morning, or all in the overnight here. But this range created when it broke down from there and retested. I didn't like the internals up here, even though I had it drawn out here, a breakdown and a retest up here to bring it back down. I didn't get in until here when I got confirmation of this one breaking lower. I got a slight micro pullback on the 2-minute candle. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Got a micro pullback right here on the 2-minute candle, and when that candle closed, I got in right there for the short. I took out T1 there. It got to 2R here on my trade, but because there wasn't much in the way from the overnight, got a little greedy, moved my target lower, and it's been reversing ever since. I didn't move my stop because I was holding out for this level here. So basically I got stopped out for minus $30. I made $70 on the first micro, and then my two trades got, my last two contracts got stopped out for minus 100. So overall I lost $30 on the day. Not bad. My 1R is $200, $210, so the $30 is less than, I mean, it's like less than a quarter of an R, so minus a quarter of an R on the day, basically a break-even day. Because I held on, so that if it retested this area and came down, what I didn't really like was this rollover. What I like is a quick retest, really just to take people's stops before it drops again. This rollover, this nice slow rollover to the upside, didn't like. And I was hoping for it to come down and retest these lows. I would have brought my stop down, but it didn't. Just slowly rolled over and grinded its way up through my stop. And since then, it's just been going higher. But we do have news at 2 o'clock. Well, not news. We have Fed Chairman Powell speaking at 2 p.m. So we're still in the range. We still haven't broken out. We're back inside of that freaking news range, for crying out loud, which is this giant candle. We're back inside of it and just hanging out in there. At this point, probably just waiting for Powell to see what he has to say. He was commenting on inflation today, so we'll see. Overall, not great, but not bad. Didn't lose. Minus a quarter R. Really, I need to work on my targets better and have a more solid plan for my targets. But other than that, that's the recap on the day. Not really going to take any more trades today with Powell speaking. So see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.